Annyeonghaseyo, Princess.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Jen.
Okay, so I'm here with Princess and grandmother of Princess. So your father is still working? So nag-work pa si father. Okay, so last night you came here no with your father last night, but unfortunately I was already asleep because I need to work in the morning. So yeah, since we already have here, I let you come because I would like to ask if you still wanted to go to study room. Then also, Lola or grandma, Princess, ni-ari ko no kanay no, you come here no. That was
anak man siya nga, di ko mapupuyo di kay si papa ron niya. Dili lang.
Okay. So, grandma Princess came here. That was before you tanggal the study room, right? So, your grandma supposed to come here to talk to me, but you said that only your father will talk to me. But that was not right, huh? So, what I told before is it's either your grandma or your father or both of them. Much more better if both of them. But if grandma is only one available, so okay ra si grandma. Kay si father kay workman, nya dugay man maabot si papa. No? So imong father kay maabot like 10 AM will arrive from work. 10 AM, 10 PM. No, 9 or 10 PM. Okay. So niari makatunay no. Katong before siya matanggal, but we did not meet. Unsa ba ka oras ni ari ato na gabi? 7 PM, 8 PM like that.
Ana siya nga, di mapupuyo di kay si teacher kay papa ra ko no.
Father or grandmother.
Alam ko siya kasabot siguro.
Sige, okay ra. But at least you attempted to come. So we haven't talked na about her absences before because I told Princess nga kung nabay makaari ang papa or grandmother niya, wala man. So, gidungan ako siya og interview with Michelle. Kay Michelle was tanggal man sa that time because of the absences. So, Princess, di ba, kung if you are sick, you will be excused, right? So, that time that you were absent, you will start absent like April, your 4 absences was covered in April to May. So, covered siya in 1 month. So, di ba, we already discussed about the absences na if masakit mo or na mo importanteng lakaw, if you are sick, if you have somewhere to go that is very important, or it is like raining hard or whatever reasons you have, you should inform me. It's either if you will chat, text, or you will call me, or you will inform your classmate, or you will come here. Nga, Teacher Jen, I'm not feeling well. I'll be absent today. Okay. So that's fine, right? So those absences that you have before have no reasons. But since grandma attempted to come before you tanggal, so I will consider it. Okay? But I want you to manage your attendance. Okay? So if you will be absent in the future, so let me know first so that I can excuse you, or I can tag you as an excuse sa attendance. Okay? Then also, before, there are instances that you have this issue with quarrel with your study room classmate. Yeah, I want you to eliminate that, ha? Okay, as well as your classmates, I also told them that if they have like misunderstanding with a classmate, so they will gonna eliminate it. Okay, it's more fun to have friends, to have more friends than having no one, right? So, yeah, study hard ha. Take it seriously. Nga, nag-study ka sa kuan sa study room. Kay study room is a big help, yeah. Not in your studies, but also teaching you good manners, right? Kay we always man have good manners every Monday. Yeah. Yang papa nay ganahan ra mo kuan. Yang father still would like her to
Okay naman siya.
okay ra si father. Nya ikaw ganahan nakabalik ra siya.
Ganahan po.
Sige nga, I will consider it.
Ako lang na siyang kaisagan ang away sa
Na ba kay Facebook na
Wala.
Facebook.
Naabro sa cellphone.
Oh, siya cellphone. No cellphone.
pero 5 hours lang po kayo na kung anak niya.
Pero atong apil sa group chat imong papa, di ba? Father man to nimo. Oh, but your father left the group naman when you were tanggal. Okay, so I will add again your father ha niya. Make sure niya imong father kay kuan ha. Agree ra man kay imong father. Go pa ka study room. Okay. Then I will also add you to GC again. Okay. So what you can promise man? Sa may imo ika-promise.
Panaway, absent. Absent mo.
Inform na ka.
5 hours.
Kung ma-absent na siya, nay, paria lang siya. Or ipatugon sa mga classmate mo. Mukuha naman kung mudawat na mukuha ng itugon lang sa classmate. At least man lang ba? Kaya ba kung unsa siya. Okay.
Katong tayo mga na-absent siya, pamutong na atong masulog ba? Wala na siya.
Oo, nganong wala man to siya, nakaingon ako.
Wag yun ko nakakuan, wag yun siya makapanganin.
Makadali pa man ko ako.
So, mga instances like that ba, if you have somewhere to go na very important, you have to inform me ahead. Para you will not be tagged as absent. Okay? Absent biya, like 3 absences biya in kanang 3 absences in 1 month biya kay matanggal na biya. No nya, kanang we are very fortunate na we are studying in study room. Why? There are a lot of kids outside who really wanted to join the study room. However, they are not given chance because they can't memorize multiplication. So, you are very fortunate niya. You already have memorized the multiplication and you passed the multiplication test. So, ato nang i-treasure. Okay? Yeah. Sa pamay mo imong ikakuan na
Padayon na. Ako na yung pagkayan na.
okay, sayang manggod. Sayang ba nga? Ako ng opportunity like kada lag usara ka oras biya every day 1 hour every days.
Wapag yung ato sa birthday, ay din alam din sa padayon.
Kay gi-interview man sa gunin ako siya kung sa iyang mga reason ato iyang mga absent. Wala man sad siya ikatubag nako. So ito yung mga rason nato yung absent siya. Ang iyang natubag nako katong iyang absent na sakit iyang kuan, pero gi-excuse na ko siya ato. Kaya nakakuan mo ko ato nga nasakit ko na siya ato.
Katong dahil naka-absent po siya nga dito magmasulog.
Katuway information lang o wa mi kay bawg na unsa
Palanghead.
kay if they will be absent man good nay, I will gonna put their names on GC in our group chat na like Princess is absent today, these are the names who are absent today, or these are the names who are late today, so that the parents would already know what na they are not here in the study room. Okay, there are mga good times na the kids will be absent but the parents don't know that they are absent. So that is why I come to the point na every time there is absent, I will gonna put the names on the GC or in the group chat so that the parents would know. So, kanang kung sa kuan ba sa messenger manggod sa GC kung nay ma-absent ibutang gina na mo ilang pangan dito nga si kuan absent ni kay basin unya nagdahop ang mga ginikanan nga naa diri sa study room nya man wala di na sa gawas yun ana. So dapat kay bawo mo nga nag-eskwela ba sila diri wa kung dili man gay ko mo chat sa ilang pangan buto sabot ni eskwela gina sila diri. Okay na hitabuan naman na it happened before man na they are absent nya I haven't yet informed the GC or that was not practiced before na inform sa GC. Yeah, the parent was expecting that their kids was here at the study room but they are not. They were at the computer. Oh. So mo na nga i-chat yun na ako sa GC nga wa sila absent sila kay para kamo ginikanan kay bawo mo asa itaon sila pangitaon. Uy, absent ba na ni si Kuan? Asa naman na itong dapita laag. Apil man sa ni siya sa GC okay ang papa. At least man apil. Okay niya. Especially ngun ani ba nga kanang bakasyon bitaw? Vacation ba? Vacation, bakasyon niya. Wala sila yung mga like wa sila kanang kalingawan or unsa ba? At least man kanin mura na ni kuha nila free tutor nila ana pa na sila kalingawan pa at least di man lang sila matayan
Makasugo na siya ma'am.
oh pwede na siya i-start lang nako ugma ako lang i-kuan balik yan ni ma ako lang yan na i-kuan ugma i-update yan ni sa list. So welcome back princess. Yeah, I hope you do well on your attendance. Also, on our attitude ha. Like quarrel, kung sa panang ang mga misunderstanding. Anyway, mas nausap ni siya sa regular kay katong time nga napa siya sa special. Sige lang ni sila away sila mga gagmay sila Janderia, napay Jusil, napay mga na ba. Sige lang sila away mga gagmay niya. Mo lagi maabot na sila sa kuan na isa magpinisikalay na. Kaya magtinukluray na des gawas, magkinapakay, magbinugnuay na. Oo, yung na, maabot na sila sa ingon nga part niya. Pagbali na niya sa kuan regular, pinta gyud kay murag na kuan sa nalayo siya sa mga gagmay niya. Yan, itapan pag yun ako siya lucky, so dili na kayo siya kanang ingon na kakuan ato ba. Ana, na naman na siya sa regular. Kay pa naman na siya mabasa. So, princess, I'm expecting you to manage your attendance ha. So, you will be back tomorrow. So, ang schedule, regular makano. Ang schedule nato, new schedule nato is 3 to 4 special, 4 to 5 regular. Nya regular makano. So, iyang klase alas 4 hangtod alas 5 na. Nya 5 to 6 mo na ang self-study. So, at least man lang kay dili kay sila
4 to
5, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Alas 4 sa hapon na to, alas 5. Ha, mao na yung klase. Sige lang, ibaw naman ang mga bata. Yun na naman na sila.
Apil Japan ko sa mag-donation.
Oo, appeal ka. Appeal man jud kanang it doesn't mean man nga kanang kung matanggal mo sa study room mo na po i-appeal sa monthly donation. No. You are still part of the channel. Kuan gyapon mo kanang member gyapon mo sa channel. It's just that matanggal gani mo sa study room mara mo matanggal, pero monthly donation appeal pagyapon mo, especially if there are sponsor na request ninyo or ganahan makakita ninyo ana. Pero mabalik naman ka sa study room appeal kaya po ka mga event naay mo uniform diri, so dili ra mag-uol sa uniform. Napakay pangutana wala na. Nya ready na ka mo balik ugma sa study room. Okay. Nya salamat kaayo na yun. Sige, salamat kaayo.
Istorya